Welcome to the new session of programmings. Today again we will be dealing with the if programs only. This time we will be dealing with let's finish up with the slab questions, and then we will move on to the next video. From the next video we will be dealing with the build type question, the step calculations which you had done step calculation in class 8. So that step calculations we will be doing with the step calculations, and then after the step calculations we will move on with the switch cases. There we will do the switch case, and then before that I will be dealing with the scanner class, because in switch case the menu driven had to be done. Menu driven programming, different types of menu driven programs are there, so we will be doing with it. So scanner class is a must one, but today we continue with the same series of questions with the slab types. Let's continue with it. Web to input number of days, web to input age. Alright, web to input age and distance to be traveled to calculate the train fare. To calculate the train fare, we are going to calculate a train fare with it as per the slab. Alright, so age, distance, and then rate per kilometer, distance per kilometer, and this is rate per kilometer. If the age is below 6, below 10 years, it will be below 10 years, and the distance travel up to 50 kilometers, then 2.1 per kilometer. This is the rupees 2.1 per kilometer. If this distance is traveled from 50 to 200 kilometers, then it is 2.75, and if it is from 200 above 200 kilometers, then it is 3.20. If the age is between 10 to 60, so up to 50 kilometers, the rate is 4.10. 50 to 200 kilometers, 4.75, and above 200 it's 5.20, and 60 and above, if it is 60 and above, then up to 50 kilometers it is 2.10, 2.30, to 200 it is 2.95, and above 200 it is 3.50. This is the slab, and with this slab we need to do the program. So class fare void main. So you require int age, and since here the distance in train is not in decimals, it's in kilometers, in a whole number. If it is 3.5 kilometers, then it's considered as 4 kilometers only. So int distance, so you need to calculate double charge equals to 0. Now the first line, if the age is less than 10, no? If the age is less than 10, if the distance is up to 50 kilometers, then charge equals to distance into 2.10. Else if the distance is more than 50 and distance is up to 200 kilometers, then charge equals to distance into 2.75. Else charge equals to distance into 3.20. So if closes, now else if the age is 10 and age is less than 60, then if distance is up to 50 kilometers, then charge equals to distance into 4.10. Else if the distance is more than 50 and then distance is up to 200, then charge equals to distance into 4.75. Else charge equals to distance into 5.20. No. Else if age is greater than equals to 60, or you can go with the else, otherwise the age is that one only. Else if the distance is up to 50 kilometers, charge is 2.30. Distance equals to 2.30. Else distance is greater than 50 and distance is less than equals to 200, then charge equals to distance into 2.95. Else charge equals to distance into 3.50. Else closes it. So look at the program now. This is first for the age less than 10, then for the age 10 to 60, so now you need to print it out. So plan train fare, so plan age is plus a, so plan distance traveling plus d, so plan ticket charge is plus ch. Close. So you have to pay. Now next question, web to input monthly salary to calculate annual salary and income tax as per the given slab. So annual salary, rate of tax. Alright, now up to 5 lakh. Zero point zero. Rate of tax is 0.0%. ठीक है. Now 5 lakh to 10 lakh. It is 5,000 plus 10% of amount exceeding 5 lakh. Alright. Now 10 lakh to 20 lakh. It's 10,000 plus 20% of amount exceeding 10 lakh. Above 20 lakh. Now I am not following any of the slab, it's just from my mind I had given it. Alright, please don't check it out with the government slab, it's just what coming in my brain, I had written it. It's not with the slab what is been there right now. It's just for the sake. It's 20,000 plus 30% of amount exceeding 20 lakh. Alright. So class tax, void main. What are the requirement? I need to monthly salary. We need to calculate annual salary and the tax. Alright, so annual salary equals to 0.0 and tax equals to 0.0. T equals to 0.0. Alright, so annual salary equals to monthly salary into 12 month salary, so it becomes an annual salary. Now what it says, if the annual salary is up to 5 lakh, then tax equals to 0.0. else if annual salary is more than 5 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5 and then up to 10 lakh, 1 2 3 4 5. So tax, what is the tax? 5,000 plus 5,000, you have to anyhow give the 5,000 plus tax 10% of amount exceeding 5 lakh. So annual salary minus 5 lakh, 10% will be added up. Alright, else annual salary is more than 10 lakh and annual salary is up to 20 lakh, then I am everywhere using tax, so let it be tax only. variable tax only. Tax equals to how much it's the tax? 10,000 से 20,000 में 10,000 प्लस एनुअल सैलरी से 10 लाख माइनस कर लेंगे, 2 2 4 1 5, उसका कितना परसेंट है? 20% है, 0.20। ठीक है, 10 से 20 लाख। एल्स केस में आएंगे, टैक्स कितना होगा? 20,000 है, प्लस एनुअल सैलरी से 20 लाख माइनस कर देंगे और उसका 30%। इट्स 30% ऑफ इट, इज इट और नॉट? 30% ऑफ इट। सो एनुअल सैलरी से 20 लाख माइनस करके उसका 30% जोड़ लेंगे इसमें। सो सुप्लन मंथली सैलरी is plus MS, annual salary is plus AS, income tax is plus tax. Alright, main close, class close. Look at now, this is the question. Now this is tax, na? Because I am gradually, I had written a variable as a tax t, but I was writing the tax, so I had changed it to tax only, so that mistake is not there. Tax, let it be very clear, tax equals to 0.0. Calculated the annual salary, then went for the slab, and as per the slab, look now here, the second slab, 5,000 plus 10% of amount exceeding, जो 5 लाख से ज़्यादा का अमाउंट है, एनुअल सैलरी में 5 लाख से जो ज़्यादा का अमाउंट हुआ उसका 10%, उसी तरीके से 10 लाख से ज़्यादा का जो अमाउंट है उसका 20%। ठीक है ना? This is how it is calculated. Thank you for today.